Hi everyone. So with all the attention and focus lately being on my Audi S3 8V build, I thought it'd be nice to do something with the Evo 5RS. So I've got it on the trailer behind me, and today I've arranged to take it to the very best people I know to get it looking its absolute best. You know, this car is 22 years old now. You know, we've had a lot of fun with it on the road and on the track, so it's already a low mileage car, it's already a really clean example, but there's no doubt that these guys are going to get it looking its absolute best. So I've brought it to Meguiar's UK HQ. This is a bit like a hotel and spa really for cars, so let's get it unloaded off the trailer and let them do their thing. Right then guys, so I dropped the car off this morning and the boys have given it the works. So come back to collect it and it looks absolutely stunning. So just going to catch up with Dale, who stood right here behind me. He's the man behind all the work that's happened on it. So just going to have a quick look at what products we've used. So what have we done, Dale?
So we kind of delved into our pro range. So a lot of content that we develop for YouTube is for our consumer range, but we thought we'd switch it up today. Because the car's had a harder life than most of the show cars and cars that come through here, it's been on the track. Most of ours have like barely seen the show field without being on a trailer. So we delved into our kind of pro range. So we first washed it using the hyper wash. We broke down those iron deposits using our iron decon, both on the bodywork and the wheels. We then got it into the bay and used our aggressive kind of clay to really get those bonded contaminants away from the paint. And then we went into a kind of one-stage correction using a machine polisher and our ultra polishing wax, which is going to remove the swirls and scratches, revive tie colour, and give it that real nice kind of glossy protection that you want from a wax. Then to finish it off, we just used our kind of last touch detailer to give that extra bit of gloss and also remove any kind of wax residues that were left over. And then it was getting into the grimy bits. We used our APC Plus on the kind of tyres, the rubber bits and the trims and the engine bay, and then finished off any plastics with our hyper dressing. That's it. That was it, that's all we did.
Honestly, I know the car looked pretty clean anyway. It's quite a low mileage clean example, but now honestly the guys have done a fantastic job and it really looks superb. So let me show you a few clips. So there she is, all done and ready to go back on the trailer. Just wanted to say a massive thanks to the Meguiar's boys, Dale, Patrick and Tom, for the incredible results on this car. The pics and vids only do it justice so far, but in the flesh it really does look amazing. Definitely the best the paintwork's ever looked in my ownership. So don't forget to check out the Meguiar's YouTube channel. They've also shot a video from today, so have a look at the products they've used and have a look at, you know, the time while the car spent in the bay that they've got there and how they went about achieving these results really. So just before I go, there's one more thing while I'm here at the HQ that I'm going to show you, because if you're into your old school classics with a modern twist, then I think you're going to like this. There's a little car right here in the background that if you follow Tom or if you follow Meguiar's, I'm sure you're already familiar with it, but it is a beautiful little thing. So just going to show you around this car and get a little bit of information from Tom. So what have we got here, Tom?
So my interpretation of if the RS department were to build a Renault 5 Turbo, they didn't build one back in the day. So during the Tom versus Dale, Dale picked the Merc, the 114, and I had unfinished business. My first car was a Renault 5, second car Renault 5 Turbo. Obviously at the ripe old age of 18, I spent every bit of money insuring it. So when we got given the chance, I was so excited, Renault 5 Turbo. Then on the hunt, my original plan was to do an OG restoration. And then I kind of figured on a build off that's probably not necessarily exciting to a lot of people. And stumbled across a very poorly dimmer kitted or skeet kitted Renault 5 Turbo that was in a scrapyard. Well, it wasn't in a scrapyard, it should have been in a scrapyard. So I bought it, and lo and behold, I don't think it wouldn't have even made a good sieve. So keen-eyed people will see it's on an M plate, which they didn't make a GT Turbo. Sadly, we had to reshell it. We get a modest budget to do the Renault 5, to do the Tom versus Dale stuff, and quite frankly, the man hours that it would have taken to have saved the other one. And actually, we found a campus shell that was 60,000 miles from new. One lady owner. It was stupid not to just turn everything over. So we salvaged the kit, salvaged the wheel, everything. Turbo beam, turbo engine, brakes, everything is now on a campus shell. It's the only way we could do it. But it's brilliant, so pretty. Opted for liquid yellow, so managed to get hold of a set of Clio 197 or 200 seats, limited edition seats that were the yellow Recaros, 197 cup spoiler, liquid yellow, and that's why we've got the RS features throughout it. It's a shame it's not like a bright sunny day, because you'd see it's a 3-stage pearl that is just so nice. It's really, really nice. I'm so pleased how it turned out. But it's a French mistress though, so it's a mean mistress.
Well guys, if you want to see more on this car, what's your Instagram, Tom?
Tommy Teapot.
And don't forget to follow Meguiars for more as well.
Yeah, Meguiars UK, yeah.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Evo looks stunning.
Yeah.
Renault there in the background is adorable.
Ratio. No, I can't. It's a joke.
Hope you enjoyed this one, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.
I think you should vlog with me.
I'm getting covered in shower. Oh, come on, we just washed this, man. We just washed this. Oh my, look at my hair.
That's why I wear a hat, because my COVID hair is wonderful at the minute.
Right guys, so it's not only Dale that's been involved in getting this car looking tip top. Patrick right here, usually found behind the lens. So I'm going to ask him a few questions. What do you think to the car, Patrick?
I absolutely love the car. I've not seen it in real life, so it was a nice little surprise for it to come here. Yeah, it's cool. It wasn't like you say, it's not done that many miles, so it wasn't as battered as it might have been coming just off the track, but it still had some contamination and stuff on there, so took that all off, filmed it all, looks good, looks pretty now.
You ever been in an Evo before?
Never been in an Evo.
And you're not about to today?
No, I'm not about to today, partly because I can't actually fit in the seats.
Oh, come on.
It's that COVID life.